Today we'll be retrofitting a ceiling fixture that uses GU24 sockets and CFL lamps using our LED flush mount retrofit kit. Let's begin. First, we'll turn off the electrical power at the fuse or circuit breaker box. Next, remove the diffuser, lamps, and sockets. After that, we'll apply the included relamping labels to warn anyone working on the fixture in the future that it has been modified. Now we'll route the LED retrofit kit wire harness wires through the wire opening in the fixture. Make sure the wires will not be pinched when the fixture hardware is reassembled. Now we can make our wiring connections according to the diagram located in the instruction manual. Tuck wiring connections into the J-box and mount the ceiling pan to the ceiling. Now we can reinstall our glass diffuser and restore power. That's it, our ceiling fixture has now been retrofitted to LED. For more information on the FRK series flush mount retrofit kit, please see the link below. Thanks for watching.